here, I'm taking some cutting boards out of the clamps. These were just my extra spacers. These yeah, they didn't come out too bad. These cutting board sticks are all from S4S lumber that I bought at a local place in Enid, Ohio called the Hardwood Store. And so, you know, they always have very nice wood. I don't have a discount code or anything like that, but they do offer a veterans discount. And then, of course, if you're a business, then you can, you know, make another arrangement with them regarding tax. All right, so I'm going to bring you with me. More of these cutting board sticks. I guess it's probably wrong to call them cutting board sticks, but that's exactly what they are. So there's one stack, and we'll grab the other stack. Sorry about the shaking. Really nice professional gimbal is not in my budget. So anyway, so I'll find you another spot. About right here, you have a clamp's eye view. We'll move out a couple of inches. I'll get everything set up. Let's see here. What's next on the agenda? All right, so the next project we're going to do, I have to make that 3 of my spoons that I need to cut out before I move on to the next part of doing the spoons. I'm going to hand carve them out with my Dremel this time. Try to prevent some of that waste that I had using the large carving burr. Maybe that's another project for another time, but not on the nicer wood. I'll keep practicing on the pine until I get that one down. So anyway, I'm going to set the camera down, tip it forward a little bit so you can see what I'm doing, and we'll just get with it. All right, you all. I'm moving on to another project. You saw we got all of our blanks cut out for our utensils. And now I'm going to start doing some basic shaping on a few of them. I've got, let me turn you around here. So as you see, I've got some spatulas, some little butter spreaders, some larger, deeper spoons, one cake knife, some smaller spoons. Spoon I started turning or started making on the CNC to see how feasible that was on the 3018, and it turns out that's not really a fast project at all. And then I've got some spurtles over there of a couple of different types, and so we'll I'll put my mask on and start doing the shaping. And I'll put you up closer where you have a little vantage point to see what's going on. And that ought to be a little better situation. Let's see here. There we go. I'll move you here so you're not looking at my side. And then we'll just get into it. So you saw me with my safety glasses, this and my mask. I'll come in and do the voiceover if necessary. So our first utensil, I'm going to do one of the butter spreaders. Well, there's the first one. Not overly impressed with my technique on this one. I got a couple of really thin spots. So I would say this will call an experiment and then try and do better. Cake knife. Spurtle. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following along. If you haven't, please like and subscribe.